Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I have been getting into removing rust and stuff from old tools, and I guess that all started when I started watching this two YouTube channels that you should check out. One is ScoutCrafter, and the other one is hand tool restoration. ScoutCrafter does a lot more pliers and hammers and things like that, and hand tool restoration, they do a lot of things that have electrical power or whatnot, like old drills and things like that, and some of the other as well. But in any case, it's got me looking around the shop trying to find something that maybe I could restore. And so I found a ball peen hammer that belonged to we had at my dad's store when I worked as a small engine mechanic there. And I took it to the wheel and started trying to get the rust off and whatnot. And then I thought, you know, this might make a semi-decent video. So let's zoom in closer and have a look, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here it is. I guess in some parts it doesn't look too bad. I started buffing it with the wire wheel and whatnot here, but if you look up close, you can see there's a lot of rust pitting on the head of it, and there's quite a bit of rust, and unfortunately the handle is really bunged up here. So I tried, you know, driving the handle down further into the head, but it made it, unfortunately, it made it a little crooked. So I'm going to replace this. I bought a new one out of that's made of hickory, and I'm going to clean this up and sort of the way ScoutCrafter does it. I may try to put little some paint in there where the logo is, but yeah, if you have a look, you can kind of see it says it's a plum. So anyway, let's get after it. Well, I think I'm going to leave it at that. I had plans to paint this up a little bit, but I wasn't able to get the kind of finish on it that I had hoped for. I mean, it looks better. It's in a lot better shape than it was, and I think it looks good. But what I had hoped to do was to use this as an opportunity to learn how to polish the way that guy ScoutCrafter does it. He gets them super shiny, and I don't know if he just has better equipment, or if he's doing it longer, or if he's using different polishing equipment, or what. But anyway, here it is, and it was a fun experiment. See you next time.